All right, so here we go. Havana. But the chords to many other songs. Level 1 is left hand, so switch that up, left hand. Okay, use 3 fingers of your choice, any 3 fingers. A for 2, F for 2, E, 2, 3, 4. And I would suggest you play that near the bottom left hand of the piano. A for 2, F for 2, E, 2, 3, 4. You can then add rhythms of whatever choosing. E, F, and A, F, E, excuse me, A, F, E. All right, that's level 1. Now let's move it over. The next part, level 2, is your right hand. This is the tricky part, but it's fun, okay? We've got E, A, C, all right? E, A, C. I'll make it very obvious. E, A, C, E, A, C. Play it at the same time. Curve those hands. Make sure the wrist is up a little bit, okay? No flat fingers. Curve, curve, in. Okay, practice that 10 times. You should lift off, put it back down. Lift off, put it back down. Then twist it. Keep the shape, don't destroy it. Keep, twist it back 5 times, okay? So it's like fluent, really push hard. That's number 1. 2 is your F chord. It's so easy. It's still the same A, but move your thumb up 1, here. Like that, see? So here to here. Pause the video and go back and practice 10 times this one. And when you're ready, you can do this one. 10 times, same thing, lift, 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 twist, play, twist, play, till you're fluent. Now go back and put the first and the second one together. Play A, then F, then A, then F, A, F, forever and ever and ever, 10, 20 times, okay? Pause the video now and do that, please. Now finally the last chord, okay? So we're going from this position here, and we're gonna jump to an E, G sharp, B. So we're on the F, and we jumped here, bam. Okay, it's got a black note, the G sharp. Play that 10 times, please, 10 times. Okay, then go back to the first shape, the second, excuse me, F, A, C, and practice jumping to E, G sharp, B. From here to here, over and over and over and over and over, 10, 20 times. Once that's done, so pause the video and do it. Then you can come back and practice the whole shebang from A, F, E major, hold for 4. A for 2, F for 2, E, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3. Stop, pause the video, come back once you've done 10 to 20 reps. And then finally, the last level is obviously left hand to play your left hand bass and right hand chords. And it sounds beautiful. Put both hands together, or one partner plays left and you play right. And that is it, guys, okay? Pause the video now, get to work, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.